guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new mystery box from KVD Beauty. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this mystery box just arrived, and this one's under the May mystery box. And that's one thing that I'm really loving, is because every single mystery box so far has all had different products. So you're not getting repeated items, and I really do like that. So this box was $70, and it has a value of $182 worth of products. And there's supposed to be 7 highly rated full-size products. And my box did say packed with care by Barbara. So thanks, Barbara, for packaging my box with care. Let's go ahead and see what is going to be in here. Again, I'm really excited. Now, the one thing that I do know is the foundation powder is in here, and you get to choose the color. I've been using the same powder by MAC for probably over 20 years. And I go in the MAC store if I ever need to change slightly, if I get a little tan or a little bit whiter. But normally it's like the same 2 colors that I fluctuate between this whole entire time. So I didn't know like what to choose, but on their website they have where they give you like different pictures of different women, and you can kind of compare your skin tone versus their skin tone to try to come up with a color match. So that's what I did. So we'll see how well I matched the color. But I do know that product is going to be in here because you choose the color. And then when I posted the picture on my Instagram to tell you guys that the mystery boxes were available for another day, on there it did show another item, and it's something that I don't have, and I'm really excited. So I know of 2 items that are going to be in here, and there it is. It says KVD Vegan Beauty, and it looks like everything is down just inside of here. The last few were in bags, like makeup bags. So I'm kind of glad that there isn't one this time, because I already have too many damn bags. So this is the first product that I do know about. It's the Powder Foundation Locket. And again, based on me trying on their website, I went with Fair 120. I don't know, but we're gonna see. And then when we open it up, oh, there's a little thing on the outside, which got a little smashed. And then this is what the packaging looks like. And then this looks like even the mirror. I have the mirror that looks like that. Then on the inside, it's all like this really pretty shiny red. There is a mirror right there. And then there is the powder. And then you can use it with this little sponge. That is a neat little compact. It looks really neat. I think that's gonna be too light of a color for me. I think that's gonna be too light of a color for me. But there's that. The Locket foundation. And I think that's really neat. You get to choose the color. It's just, I think that might be a little too white for me. But my arms are a lot darker than my face, so it might not. I'll have to try it when I have nothing on. But I do like the packaging, and I think that's really neat. So hopefully it does match my color, because I would really like to try it. So then let's go ahead and dive into the rest of inside of here. Okay, so it's all in this bag. So let me dump it out. Okay, so we have a pair of lashes. I didn't even know they did lashes, honestly. So this just says natural, vegan, false lashes and glue. So that's cool that it comes with the glue in here as well, because a lot of lashes that I see, they don't come with any type of glue. So if you have nothing to put them on with, then you can't even play with them. But let me show you what this looks like. So I do appreciate the fact that it comes with the glue and the lashes. I don't really do much with lashes. I only dabble in like the magnetic lashes. So these I will go ahead and just set aside to put in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But that they look like a nice little natural wispy lash. And it says go big or go home. Wispy for everyday volume. A flexible band for easy and comfortable fit. And then there's like a little before and after picture right there. But that's really neat that they did give like a more natural look. And then there's the whole packaging. So that's nice. A pair of lashes, something I've never seen by KVD Beauty. So then now we have, it says 24-hour super brow long wear pomade. Okay, and this is in the color dark brown. I do have one. I don't know what color that one is, but I know I do have a pomade in a dark brown. It might be the same one, but here's the packaging. It says dark brown, and that's what that looks like. I'm not going to touch the inside just in case, because if I already have dark brown, then I definitely don't need two of them. But there is a dark brown pomade, and yeah, a brown brow, a brow pomade. Couldn't say that one. 24-hour super brow long wear pomade. Okay, so then the next item, it says Ultra Ink Liner, Flexible Felt Tip Liquid Liner. Okay, so if you do follow me, you know I do not use the liquid liner. So this guy I will save in a future giveaway as well. But it is the black liquid liner. And if you want to see what the outside of the packaging looks like, it looks like this. And I actually do have this, but I still haven't even tried them. But I do have it if I want to venture off into that and get creative and brave. But this will go for one of you guys to enjoy. So the next one here is Everlasting Lip Liner. So it's a lip liner. I don't know if I've received any of their lip liners before. I'm not quite sure, but this is in the color Hawk Wind. It looks like a brownish color. There's that. Ooh, it's like a mauve. Let me see. Oh, that is really pretty. That almost reminds me of the Lolita color that I absolutely love. It's my all-time favorite from them, from anyone really. I just love that color in general, but that is a really, really pretty color, and I could use this as the liner and then fill it in. So there's a lip liner, and I really do like that color. That's really pretty. So I really do like that. So there's that. Next we have is a Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the color Backstage Bambi. It looks like it is a bright pink, and if it is, which I'm sure it is, I'm sure this will go held for one of you guys. Let's see. I don't really do hot pinks or whoa, that is like a neon pink, you guys, but that is a bright fuchsia pink color, and that I would not use. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put it right back down in the package, and this will go to one of you guys. But it is a bright fuchsia liquid lipstick. I like that color. That's really pretty. Okay, and then the last item, this was the last thing that I did, what I was telling you earlier, that I got a glimpse of, and I was actually really excited to get. I do have an eyeshadow palette that I really, really love, but I know this is definitely not it. So I'm excited to get a different eyeshadow palette. So here's the packaging, which it has like the raised design on the front, and then it matches on the actual package. So it is the raised, very, very pretty. The back goes over all of the colors. And then when you open her up, oh, see, it opens like that. I don't know, I just didn't know it was gonna be like a little box still attached to the top. There's no mirror, which is fine. I do not use them. And then when you, oh, do these come out? Hold on. I see like this little hole here. I'm like, does this whole thing come out? It might. I don't know if this is maybe a magnetic palette, but you can see it looks like where you can stick your hand in there. But here is all of these colors, you guys. Those are actually really pretty. I'm really excited because these are really, like, there's a lot of shimmers in here. And that's one thing, the one palette that I do have, it's like all browns and there's no shimmers. It's all mattes. So I always have to find a different color to put on my lower lid. So now I can actually bust this out and use some of these like shimmers. Ooh, that is really pretty. And then ooh, whoa, that one is a very pretty, it's like blue, purple, pink. It's like a chameleon, like changing colors. That is really, really pretty. It was this one right here, right there. So I'm really, really, really excited about this eyeshadow palette, you guys. So going over this mystery box one more time, we have this really pretty full-size eyeshadow palette. You have a bright fuchsia liquid lip that'll go to one of you guys. I have a really, really pretty lip liner, which I'm excited about, and I like that color. You have a liquid eyeliner, which will go to one of you guys. We have the eyelashes with the glue, which will go to one of you guys. We have the brow pomade in the color dark brown, which may or may not go to one of you guys, depending on what color I currently have. And then we have this right here, which I'm hoping that it's a better shade on my face than it is on my tanned hand. But if that's the case, I'm excited to use this, and I think that's just such cute packaging. I think that's adorable. So that's everything that came in this box, you guys. Again, I paid $70 and it's supposed to be $182 in value. I'm okay with this. I'm always going to be okay with this stuff, because if I find something that I would like, everything else that either I already have a duplicate of or it's not something that's in my comfort zone, I save for one of you guys. And you know my motto, sharing is caring. So I love passing down to you guys. So it's a win-win for me either way. So even if these are the only 2 items that I use, other than this, I'm good, because everything else gets to be shared with one of you guys. So that's awesome. So that is everything that I have to show about this mystery bag, you guys. I did look today. It said it ended on the 17th, which was yesterday. I looked today and it still shows that they're available and you can still choose your color. So if you guys want to check to see if they're still available, I will link it down below. But I did post on my Instagram to let you guys know the last day was yesterday. So if you guys did get it and you got anything different, comment down below. Let me know. If you got the same thing, let me know. What did you think in general of the items that they put in this box? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.